Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, welcome to another video. I bought myself this flexible soldering stand with lights. This is just a short video to show you the product in a better way than you can see online or in a picture. So you can decide for yourself if you want to buy it or not. So let me show you what's in the box. It even has a manual. Batteries. So these are all the parts. 3 arms with clamps. This glass and the batteries are already installed with a light, LEDs to light up your work. Just let's put it together. And this is how it looks when you put it together. The length of these arms is 32 centimeters. And on the bottom it has these non-slip knobs, rubberized. And this is the magnifying glass with the LEDs. Just showing how much light it will give you. It's little plastic. See if we see any difference when the light is on. It just gives you a little bit extra light. And of course you have to remove the protection of this Aligator clips before you start using it. So this is it. I'm gonna make a video now with the soldering station, the battery powered soldering station, which you will see in another video. And I'm gonna use this one in that video. So for now, this is the flexible soldering stand with light. So this was just a short video to show you this product. In the next video, you will see this product next to the soldering station, the battery powered soldering station from Parkside, and then I will use it. For now, if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel for future videos, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.